Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can unsync your Google account on Google Chrome. So you're just going to select this right here. As you can see, the bookmarks will be here because you have synced your account to the app, to the browser. Sorry, why did I say app? Anyways, you're just going to select your profile picture up here, and you're going to select sync is on. It also syncs your password and other stuff. So you might want to turn it off if you're using it on a public device and you've accidentally turned it on. So make sure you go to sync is on, and you're going to select turn off, or you can manage what you sync, maybe turn off password and passkeys and bookmarks and apps and stuff like that, but I'm just going to leave it on because this is my browser. But yeah, you're just going to turn it off like that. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.